Fried rice is a common street food in Asia. It's a dish of cooked rice that has been stir-fried in a wok or a frying pan, and I am using beautiful combination of vegetables which is actually enhance the flavor of the vegetable fried rice. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. So for this recipe we need some veggies like carrots, cauliflower, French beans, capsicum, green peas and some cooked rice. First take a pan, add 1.5 tablespoon of refined oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. To which I am adding the whole spices, that is 2 bay leaves, 3 to 4 cardamoms and 2 cinnamon sticks. Stir this for 1 minute. When aroma comes out, first I am adding carrots. So we will have to saute this until the carrot becomes soft and tender, and that would take around 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add cauliflower into it. I cut the cauliflower into very small pieces so that it cooks very quickly. Now cover the lid for another 4 to 5 minutes in a medium flame till it becomes nice and soft. After 5 minutes, open the lid, give it a mix. After 5 minutes, add French beans and mix it all together. Now cover the lid and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, open the lid and check the veggies are cooked or not. So you can see that the veggies are cooked well. Then add salt as per your taste. Always add salt after 3/4 of cooking is done. Otherwise the veggies lose their moisture and become mushy. Now mix the whole thing well. And lastly, I am adding capsicum and boiled green peas. And don't cook it more than 3 minutes. Mix it well and cook it on a lower medium flame. So you can see that the veggies are fried properly. Now I am adding the cooked rice into it. Don't boil the rice completely, cook it like around 90% so that it remains firm. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is totally optional, you can skip this step, and add salt as per your taste. Then add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Lastly, add 2 teaspoons of nutmeg and mace powder. And mix it in a light hand so that the rice does not break. After that, cover the lid around 2 minutes in a lower flame. After 2 minutes, open the lid, give it a final mix. And lastly, I am adding some freshly chopped spring onions. Mix it well. Now turn the flame off. So our vegetable fried rice is ready to eat. You can serve this with any kind of side dish like chili chicken or vegetable Manchurian. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, eat good, feel good. Bye.